Okay, so the second part of this is actually getting the video from WeVideo to the assignment on Google Classroom. So here's the WeVideo editor. And we're not going to do anything fancy with it as far as audio or music or anything right now. We just want to get your 20 to 30-second intro into the assignment just so we get used to using WeVideo. So we have it here. It's on a timeline. If you wanted to make it fancier, that's fine. But what we'll do is we'll click Finish. We'll do HD, and we'll go to Google Drive right here and then press Export. So I've already done this, and so I'm going to show you on Google Classroom here that at the assignment, this is my student account at the WeVideo project number 1. I actually used the link from my Google Drive to submit it here. So if I was here in my account, I right click, I share, and I get the link. Make sure this says Boulder High School and not restricted. You can copy the link. And that's how I was able to attach it to the assignment like so. And that's how you turn it in. Now moving on to WeVideo project number 2, you'll actually be doing the screencast where you show your desktop and actually talk about your 3 favorite projects. And then for our final project, we'll actually splice those together using some transitions and some music and some other things to make it into a full-fledged final project video. So look forward to that soon.